Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Tuesday the 5th of July 2022 and this is the formerly, he says, knackered wind turbine blade. I was going to film the process, but I didn't really feel like I had the gas to film it and do it properly. So anyway, how I did it, I got a screwdriver in there and gently prised it open, and then used this syringe to pour the resin in all the way along, and then use clamps to squeeze it together. It has been drying for about 10 hours, I'd say, and I left a bit of the resin out in this to check it hardened, which it obviously has done properly. I'd done a test run on the resin and the hardener that I'm using, and so I know that it will go off quite quickly. I used 40 grams of resin and 2 mil of hardener, which is a 5% ratio, which seems to guarantee quite a quick dry. But I just thought I'd let you know that went quite well. I'm going to leave the blade to set for another 12 hours, realistically I should do. Oh, chihuahuas are barking at something. And then in the next video, touch wood, I'll be opening the blade, and then we can take care of the bits on the outside, because there'll still be some bits on the outside that need attention. Excuse me, but all I'm really hoping is that the combination of the resin and the clamps will squeeze that together, and we'll know, because I'll get the camera right on this bit when I undo the clamps, and if it doesn't move, it's all good. Alright, I shall see you very soon, no doubt. Waiting for a bit of wind. Nothing really at the minute. Nothing really scheduled today. The wind seems to be coming from all over the place as well. So we shall have some power as soon as there is enough wind. Peace.